Hello everyone, my name is Roianne.Buystedt and I'm here in Junction City at Guarantee RV to show you this used 2018 Winnebago Spirit. This model is a 31K. It's been gently used, it looks brand new. I'll show you the inside. This one has been very well taken care of. It's got an excellent floor plan. You get your traditional bed up here. Both seats swivel, so you also get a nice little living room right here. This is a jackknife sofa for extra sleeping. You also have great extra sleeping right here in the U-shaped booth. It's a good size for an adult. One of the best features about this unit is that you get great counter space in here. So you get all of this, plus great storage in the kitchen, an oven, and a microwave. And your bedroom has the bathroom as part of it. It's a split bath. Queen size bed with great storage in there. You can shut both doors. There's a partition right here to separate the bedroom from the bathroom, as well as the bathroom as part of the master suite. If you have any questions about this or any other unit, just give me a call here at Guarantee RV. Again, my name is Roianne.Buystedt and my phone number is 541-636-7862. Thank you.